Okay, everyone. Home after long 12 hours of work. Wifey has thrown together me something she wants me to try and tell you guys honestly what's going on. So, it appears to be, looks like beef that came off of a tomahawk. I think she said these were cauliflower that she turned into mashed potatoes with cheese. Cauliflower mashed potatoes. I want that first. And kale. One of my favorites. So, I can't film on my job. My favorite, cherry Pepsi, of course. And I like you guys to see what I got going on when I'm not messing with AI. Okay. Show y'all. No, I'm not getting paid for none of this and stuff, y'all. But I like it. It's kind of hot. Kale, okay. She working with a little something. She said, honest opinion. Tastes like I cooked it. Okay. Okay, tomahawk. Okay. I'm feeling it. So the cauliflower, I guess if you wouldn't know what it was, you wouldn't know what taste to look for. I'm feeling it. Wow. She wanted the real deal. She said, I wanted everyone to see the real deal. Okay. Now I could have went with a little vinegar on these kale. I think in Crescent City, that's how we eat them. Okay. Okay, tomahawks. So, we rolling out a bunch of new stuff. And I can't expose right now and let you guys come and see it for yourself on social media. I gotta hold down the fort. I wonder would she get mad if I eat the whole thing. Ramsack the pots. I don't know what to say because you guys can't really feel what I'm tasting. No, it's not a giant crab. Okay. By the time she got out the shower, it's probably going to be gone. Spicy. Besides the hot sauce, I can taste some spice you put in it. She want me to try to figure out what she put in there. I can't. Tastes a lot of different seasoning. I know it's probably stuff that come out our personal garden. I can't tell. She's a ninja? I don't think so. For all you veggie lovers, you might want to try this cauliflower recipe she got. I'm feeling it. I'm feeling it. I'm feeling it. I just think, what kind of content is hearing somebody smack on their food? I'm from the dirty. The dirty third, as they call it. Hopefully she didn't want me to tell you guys that it wasn't good. So I can't do that. When we don't drink, I'm thinking maybe non-alcoholic daiquiri would have been good with this. Okay. I'm feeling it. Feel me riding around in the Mercedes eating this. Okay. Okay. Wasn't enough. I gotta go back in, y'all. Wasn't enough. Not after a long, hard day in the sun. I had to come back around too. As I send Dove to the shower, while she's off taking a bath, I'm sneaking back in the box. So, that's it. Big boy. Cherry Pepsi. It is what it is. I love it. Thanks, babe.